We therefore demand an immediate, thorough, and transparent investigation. Let me be clear. We demand investigation by the United Nations, not excuses from Israel. We make these demands in deep reverence for our fallen peacekeepers, to whom Indonesia pays its highest respect for their ultimate sacrifice in the service of international peace and security. Today, the Security Council must reaffirm the obligations of all parties to ensure and guarantee the safety and security of peacekeepers. Today, the Security Council must take decisive action to prevent future hostilities and attacks against peacekeepers. No more attacks. Thank you.